Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. Here's another Imperial toy. It kind of goes along with the other weird bird there. There we go. Okay. We have a, I'm wondering if it's Shamu. Another Imperial toy. So this is like a Shamu type doll or stuffed animal. Here's a weird, everything's weird to me. If I don't know what it is, let's see. This is not named. It is a dog. Just say dog. There is a little bitty porpoise. We'll call him a porpoise. There we go. And, ooh, this looks like, I'm going to take a wild shot and say that this is from Oriental Trading. Maybe not. What is this? This is Silly Slammers. Silly Slammer. Do you slam it on? There's something hard inside called a Silly Slammer. I don't know what. No. Well, there he is, a Silly Slammer. I'll have to look into that and what they do. It's a Silly Slammers, design number 7, Jammer. Jammer. Silly Slammers. Yep. Okay. So there's Jammer. And the bag was $1.99, it looks like. We got that. So here we go. We've got a bulldog from Oriental Trading. We've got Yogi Bear. We've got another little dog here. We've got these two little guys here that I don't know what they are. It looks like ocean crustaceans. We have 2 birds and a Shamu type killer whale from Imperial. We have a no-name little porpoise. We have this dog here, and we have a slammer. I don't know if that's what you do. It sure is fun. There we go. He doesn't do anything, but there he is. Jammer the Slammer. Number 27. Thank you guys and gals for coming along. For those of you who have been with us before, thank you for coming back. For those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. And this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special with Jammer the Slammer, who doesn't do anything. Hey, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye now.